Really want to extend heartfelt appreciation for the construction team, especially Miles and his leadership out here out on site.
I just want to quickly thank Hughes Construction. I think they did an exceptional job, and it's getting to where when you work with contractors anymore, you come in over budget and behind schedule. And we didn't do either of those things here. We stayed on budget and we stayed right on schedule. So big kudos to Miles for that, being a superintendent, Mark, Kyle, Gordon with JRCA. Building's going to serve the community of Milford really well for the next 50 plus years and the surrounding roadways and areas. So.
Thanks to Hughes Construction, we've been on, you said about 2-3 projects together, UDOT, if I'm not mistaken. The first UDOT project they did was Cottonwood, and we so much appreciated the work that they did and the quality that they put into that project. We were very, very pleased and happy that when we did these other projects out, that they were the successful contractor.